All right. Let's get this going. Let's get this going. All right, what's going on, everybody? Turn this down. Share this to a few people. Let everyone know that I'm on. All right, let's go ahead and mark up this orb real quick while waiting for everybody to get up on here. Gonna mark up our lower orb. Gonna be our lower orb right here. We're gonna go and get the color right. Go with yellow for the lower. Go ahead and mark up the upper. Go ahead and go with green. Then for the middle, see how big of a range we got today. 47. Okay, so that's good. Things are coming back to normal almost. Things are coming back to normal pretty much. So we're gonna go right here. Right around 74.28 will be our mid-range. 24.8. Make this one blue. And that will be our mid-range. Should be pretty accurate there. Let's see. See how much we got here. 25. 22. Okay, gotta move this up a little bit. That should be mid-range right there. All right, now we're just gonna wait, guys. Wait for our entry here. See what we got going on today. Contracts. All right, guys. What's going on, Angel? How you doing, bro? All right, so you see we broke that orb already to the upside. Let's see what we do from here. We got a break already to the orb to the upside. I mean, I could see us continuing up from here. These are the same zones I've had marked up since yesterday. And prices come back down here again and it's rejected back up. This is a beautiful place to buy right here. Earlier today around 3 o'clock, it came back down to my zones I had previously marked. So anyone could have bought right there and done really good with that. But we're gonna wait. Yeah, Angel, 1 hour looks like a buy. Yeah, man. I'm looking for a buy tonight potentially. I'm gonna see what it shows us here. We got a nice break to the upside here, but I'm gonna wait to see exactly what this price does. I want to see a 5-minute closure, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the 5-minute time frame now. I want to see a 5-minute closure outside of this orb right here, and if we can close right now, we broke this orb and we actually went to test the orb from this morning. This is this morning's open range high, and this is this morning's open range low right here. So we went and tested both of those, but I'm gonna go ahead and wait to see what price does here. I don't want to get into a buy and get stuck holding a position, so I want to wait. But I do like a buy just because we already tested my zone down here. You remember, Angel, is the same purple zone I had marked up from yesterday. I got this one marked and I got this one marked. These are 2 zones from yesterday, and we've tested both these zones, and price has come back since there. We came down here, we went a little bit below both zones, and then price has rejected those areas and gone back up. I'll carry this over a little bit. It rejected past it a little, it went past it a little bit here, and then it rejected it, and now price has gone back up. So I'm potentially looking for a buy here, just outside of this orb. I'm gonna go ahead and take a position here. I'm gonna see what the 1 minute's looking like. Price is sitting at the 1 minute EMA right now. The price is sitting on that 1 minute EMA. So I'm gonna wait to see what happens here. We got price at the 1 minute EMA. We might blow past this 1 minute EMA and then test this mid range. And if we do, I'm gonna let price do that move first before I get in, to give me confirmation that I'll be going for a buy. But if you see, we got a 5-minute candle right here that wicked outside of the opening range high, but it was very wicky. Didn't really commit to anything. It just shot up and then it came back down. So I don't love that for an entry. So I want to see more confirmation outside of that. And right now in the 1 minute time frame, we're sitting right on the 1 minute EMA. So I'm gonna wait for rejection off of this EMA. And off of rejection here, I'm gonna probably go into a buy. As long as we don't go for the mid range, I'm gonna go into a buy right here. I'm just gonna let this candle play out. I'm running stop losses, take profits tonight, and I'm running trailing stops. Just so you guys know, I'm gonna be trailing my stops all night tonight. So it's gonna be automatically. I've already set it up. I'm running a new software right here, new platform, wealth charts. I'm trying them out. So I have a simple bracket put up right now with trailing stop. So I'm gonna be giving that a try and seeing how it works out. Go ahead and come back to the 1 hour. Got a nice rejection zone right here on the 1 hour. We're going to go ahead and draw this up now. Very nice rejection zone for the 1 hour. This hour hasn't finished yet, but still a very nice rejection. I'll go ahead and do it off of this one instead, just to be safer. You do it right off of here. Price went into a buy down here after this area, and that's right by our lower opening range. I'm gonna keep that zone marked right there. We're still sitting at that 1 minute EMA right now. Where's the docs at? Where's the chat? Boom. Oh, okay, get this to go up there. Stay there. Get this to stay there. Keep this chat on the screen somewhere where I can see it. Alright, so far we're respecting that, but not a lot of volume here at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get an entry here soon. Not a lot of volume going on here, guys. I'm gonna grab an entry off of this EMA. We'll go for a buy. I'm gonna hold it. I'm not sure how much movement we're gonna get today. Go a little bit more aggressive with my positioning. Actually, no, I'm not gonna go more aggressive. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna let this play out for a second before I take any entries. Color and a little bit more. It looks a little bit more like that. They all kind of look the same. All right, so we broke the orb again that time, guys. But it definitely went for a buy right off of that EMA. But it's all right. We're gonna wait a little bit here. Give this a chance to play out. Be the first 5-minute closure outside of the orb here. Got a nice little push off the orb right there. Try to find a way to lock the chat onto my home screen because I can't ever seem to fucking keep it locked on there. There's gotta be a way. Generation activity. Gotta be a way to lock it because it keeps coming off on my screen. Our price is coming back down to that 1 minute EMA, so let's see if it continues to respect this or break this time. If it comes back down to orb, I'm buying at 7.4. Yeah, so I'm waiting for it to go back to the EMA. So I'm waiting for it to go to 7.431, and I'll be looking for a buy around 7.431 as long as it respects that 1 minute EMA. I want to make sure it doesn't blow past it. So as long as it respects the 1 minute EMA, I'm going to be looking for a buy around that 7.431. EMA sitting at right now it's sitting at 7.131 or 7.431 right now. I have a feeling today's gonna be a pretty slow night, so I'm gonna up my risk here. It's gonna be a pretty slow night, so I'm gonna run more risk. Well, let's hope. It seems like it's gonna be a little slower of a night, so I'm upping my risk right now. All right, let's see if we retest this EMA. I want to see a test of the EMA right now. EMA is sitting at 7.43163. Let's see if we get a test down there. And if we do, I'm going to go in for a buy when we go down there. As long as we respect that 1 minute EMA, I'm going to be looking for a buy. There we go. Nice push down. A nice push down, right? Push down to the orb, but I want to see if we continue going. Could be a good spot for a buy, guys. It's at the orb right now, but I'm gonna wait to see if we can make it down to the EMA. It's sitting right above the orb right now, but I'm gonna wait for confirmation at the EMA. I might not get it. I might miss my entry. So if you guys are feeling jumpy, you can get an entry now, but I'm gonna wait for that 1 minute EMA to test. I'm gonna see if we test that 1 minute EMA, get a pushback off of that EMA, and then I'll enter off of that. As long as we respect it, I want to make sure that we don't blow past that 1 minute EMA and run to the mid range. So I'm gonna wait for confirmation at that EMA. Could be a good entry right here. I just feel like we're so close to the EMA. I feel like we're going to go down there, so I'm waiting for it. Not pushed off. Might not get the entry off the EMA, guys. Might have to take it right off the orb. There we go. See if we get a push to the EMA now. 7433. We're below the orb. See if we get to the EMA, and I want to see what price does down here. We did fail to reach that high up there on this last push up. So I don't love that. I want to see what happens at this EMA. Make sure we respect it. There we go. Going to the 1 minute EMA. Let's see if we just do a touch and bounce back. Let's see what it does here. I'm not sure we're at the EMA. I don't know if it's stopped or if my trader bait's freezing. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go for a buy, guys. I'm in. All right, I'm in, guys.
Order filled.
I'm in. I'm currently in on a buy, guys. Price went down below the EMA. Let's hope we come back up. Looks like we're going to that mid-range on the orb, guys. I've got my entry at 7432 right now. 7432. Go ahead and put my long position. 7432 is my entry. You got a better entry than me. I'm at 7432 flat. That's my entry. I'm running a 30 tick stop loss today, guys. I'm running 30 ticks right above that lower range. And I have my take profit set for $74.44. Take profit is set for $74.44. I'm going for about 50 ticks. 48 ticks, guys. Running for about 48 ticks here. We're at that mid-range, which is what I was waiting for, guys. I should have probably waited a little bit for that one. Might add a position here at this mid-range. Bring my price down. If it respects this mid-range, I'm gonna go ahead and add a position. Bring my entry down a little bit, but right now it's breaking it. Woo. I'm getting smoked right now on these guys. I didn't think 3 contracts were gonna move this much in this session, but it's moving pretty good. All right, so we're bouncing off of that mid-range. There we go, get a nice push back up. We need a healthy push up here. We need to get above that 1 minute EMA. So that just goes to show guys why you should always wait. I was waiting for that break of the EMA and I got trigger happy. I got in. Luckily, price is coming back in our direction, but it could have been bad. Let's hope it breaks that 1 minute EMA because it just went back up there, guys. Let's hope price goes back up there and it actually breaks it. we go. Price is working back up towards that EMA. We need to get above that EMA. We got to break that EMA. All right, important point right here. We're going back up to that EMA. We got to break past this EMA. If this trade's going to hold, we got to bounce back above this EMA right here. That's going to get us right at our entry point. It's rejecting it right now. Definitely could have waited for a better entry here, better confirmation, but we're going to see how this one plays out. If we get above this EMA again at 74.31, we should be good. But if it rejects this EMA, then we can be in trouble here. We got to be ready to cut the trade. That was a real strong bearish candle right there on that 5 minute. All right, right about back to break even right now, guys. Okay, we're back at our entry. Gotta see what price wants to do here. See if we can't get a nice push back above this orb. If we stay below it, then I'm gonna go ahead and close this position. My TP is set at 74.44. Oh, we're getting a rejection right here off of that EMA. Strong rejection off that EMA. I don't like that for me. Going back down to that mid-range. We got a trend line on the 15 minute here, guys. That is a 15-minute trend line. That might have been the top right there that we spiked to at the beginning of the session. So seeing that, guys, I think I'm going to cut this position. That is a 15-minute trend line we got to touch. We got a touch, and we got a touch. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we break back above. We definitely got a trend line going on the 15-minute to the downside. Pretty much at break even here. I'm watching this carefully here, guys. Need to see a strong push above this 1 minute EMA. If we get another rejection, a strong rejection, I'm gonna have to cut this trade. There goes rejecting it again. Come on, give us a push above that EMA. Let's go. I don't like the rejection that I'm seeing at this EMA, so I might end up taking break even here because we keep going back to break even. Give it one last chance here. Let's see if we can't get a push. See if we can't get a push. Come on. Push up, go back towards that orb. Give me a reason to stay in this trade. Let's go. There you go. Back a break even right now. Give me a reason to stay. Come on, give me a reason to stay. Push up, push up. Give us that run. There we go. It's a little bit of profit there. Let's see if the price can go up. Let's see if we can get a nice little runner. First came back down. Rejected it again. Wanting to push above it, but it keeps pushing back down. I'd like to see a strong push to the upside like we're seeing to the downside, because that's what I don't like. When we're seeing more pressure to the downside than the upside, I don't like that. Oof. It went up there quick and then it came back down fast too. I don't like the way it's pushing down. Come on, we got to see a push to the upside. Let's go. I'm trying to decide here, guys. I'm trying to decide. I'm gonna take an L here or let this thing keep going. Yeah, it's pushing way too aggressively down. I don't like that at all. We don't get we're not getting nowhere near that same kind of pressure to the upside, so I really don't like that. Angel, I think we're gonna go ahead and pull this position here. I'm not liking what I'm seeing. The pressure to the downside is just way stronger than it is to the upside. It's going up slowly, creeping up slowly, and it's coming back down with a lot of aggression. That 5-minute candle's coming in very heavy. Yeah, this is moving too aggressively here. We're back at that mid-range. Let's see what it does here. It's not a lot of movement that we're experiencing here, but I'm in with 3 full contracts, so it's moving a lot for me. So I got to be careful here with my position. Yeah, no, this ain't looking good here. We're below the mid-range there. I'm gonna get stopped out here soon on my trailing stop. Yeah, I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out, guys. Took a bad loss there. 954. Gonna wait for another entry. That was a nasty run to the downside. Hope you had a stop loss in place, Angel. Where'd you get stopped out at? Or are you still in it?
Order filled.
My ass is right back into. Not gonna do me like that. Taking my chance here just in case. Still in. Yeah. I couldn't hold it. I'm in too aggressive. I was in 3 minis, so I was moving a lot of size there. I had to cut it. I moved my stop to break even. That way I'm not risking anything else on this trade. Why is this shit not letting me pull? taken out on this one right here because I'm at break even on this one, so I'm gonna get taken out. That's all right. So I'm not risking anything on it. This one I'm gonna just exit out. Mark it here.
Order filled.
Same thing with this one. Quick break even on that trade. I'm waiting it out. I'm not gonna take anything else right now. But the next one I go into, I'm gonna go in heavy. Because that little one contract wasn't doing it for me. I need more than that. I'm gonna wait to see exactly what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna wait right here because right now we're staying below that mid-range, Angel. So I'm looking for a possible sell here if we stay below this mid-range right here, which is 74.28.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell, Angel. Sorry, bro. Right now it's going against me, but I'm gonna hold it for a little bit because I don't love the buy right now. So I'm gonna hold the sell, see what the sell does. There we go. My sell's going good, Angel. I'm sorry. I'm in the sell right now. We're cooking right now. Sell's cooking. Sell's cooking. Sell's cooking. Who am I? Who am I? The sell is cooking right now, guys. Could have just been a rundown to that EMA though, so we'll see. We went to the 5-minute EMA. Let's hope that it wasn't a fake out. Hopefully it's not a fake out, guys. Might get stopped out here. My stop is trailing, so I might get stopped out here. Hopefully not. Come on, let's see if we can get a push down. Let's see if we can commit to the sell. Come on, let's commit. So we can commit to the sell here. Come on. Another nice push like that. Here we go. Put this bitch to break even. I am not going to get stopped out for nothing here. I'm at break even. I'm not risking anything on this trade now. I am at break even on this trade. So if it comes back against me, then I'm just going to get out. Looks like I'm going to get taken out break even, which sucks because we're just up 700. But I'm going to hold it a little bit. but it's at break even, worst case scenario, so I'm not gonna lose nothing. Go. There we go. Nice push, nice push. There we go. There we go. Come on, let's see if we can break this previous one. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's keep pushing. There we go. There we go. All right, I'm on break even on all these trades now. These are risk-free trades. Only thing is, if I close them out now, I'll make up that loss I just took, because I took that nasty loss. The tough choice. They are risk-free trades at this point. I'm gonna let these things sing for a little bit. Let's see what they do. Angel, you switch over to a sell? Yeah, you in a sell or you still in a buy, bro? I'm hoping you're in a sell. There we go. Keep that momentum going. Just keep that momentum going. All right, getting a little reversal here. But again, guys, these trades are at break even, so not going to be losing anything if they go against us. Just all the money we could have had. This guy. Oh, your daily loss limit is only 350 though, so you're good. All right, I'm about to get stopped out here at break even, and that sucks because I was just up like $800. So I don't love that for me, honestly. I hope it doesn't go all the way up my break even, but it might. There we go. There we go. Yeah, it's a slippery slope, man. That's a slippery slope right there. Trying to decide if you want to make it back or not. I'm probably realistically, bro, if I'm lucky, I'm gonna end up at break even on the night. So we'll see. We'll see how this goes, because this trade might take me out at break even right now, which sucks, dude. It's about to take me out break even, and that sucks because this trade was up really nice in my favor. And I'm about to get stopped out right now. Boom, break even. That sucks, man. I got out of break even. And this trade was really nice in my favor. Nothing like getting stopped out of break even, bro, when the trade's in your favor. I don't think there's a worse feeling, honestly. I'm gonna give this a minute here, man. I'm gonna re-enter. Not gonna lie to you. Give this a minute here, and I'm gonna re-enter on this trade. Unless if that was the bottom, that could have been the bottom. We could literally consolidate, and I'm gonna get just shit on if that's the case. Yeah, I don't like the thought of possibly consolidating here. I'm back in on this one. Let's see how this one plays out. I should have just stayed in it, to be honest, but that shit got me on a break even. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't get back in right now, Angel. Doesn't really show me what it's wanting to do. I'm getting rinsed right now, if you can't tell. I'm getting absolutely rinsed. I'll tell you what, bro. Asian session has not been nice to us lately. Last couple of days, Asian session has not been good to us. Yeah, it's crazy, honestly. I messed up by putting the bottom accounts into break even because they would have still been in if I hadn't put them to break even. But whatever, it is what it is, man. That's why I messed up on those. I shouldn't have put them at break even. Well, all I need this thing to do is to push back down one more time, and I will get out if it does it again. I'm not gonna risk it. If we go for a nice push again, I'm gonna take it. It's doing that Asian persuasion thing right now, bro. It's just out here playing around with me. There we go. Price is pulling back in the right direction now. It went back to that 5-minute EMA. It needs to break that. If it breaks the 5-minute EMA, I should still be okay here. We got to break past that 5-minute EMA. Be right back. All right. Come on, let's get a breakdown that past that 5-minute EMA. See if we can bring price back down there again. Come on. What kind of nonsense is that? There we go. There we go. There we go. That's the push we're looking for. Come on, keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Come on, keep on pushing. Doing a little bit better. Only down 300 and change for the night right now, so that's good. Hope that momentum keeps going this direction. Honestly, at this point, with how disrespectful the Asian session's been, I'll just take a break even night. If I can get back to break even, I'll wait for tomorrow, and I'll get it back tomorrow. Well, not get it back, but I'll make my main profits tomorrow because we were just down 900. So if we can get it to break even, that'll be good. Another minute left on this 5-minute candle. Let's hope we can get a 3-candle continuation here. Let's hope that the next 5-minute candle goes red as well. And if it does, we should be in a good spot. There we go. Almost at break even. Almost at break even for the day. We're up 800 on this trade right now. Come on, let's keep going. Let's keep pushing. There we go. We're officially in profit for the day. Officially in profit for the day, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm back in profit for the day. Well, I'm negative $44 right now. I think I'm gonna take it, guys. Gotta take it when it's there. Let's see if this thing wants to keep on singing. Should have taken it. Should have taken it. We'll give it a minute here. Let's see what this next 5-minute candle does. 5-minute candle could be a game changer here. There we go. We're in profit. We're in profit. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. All right, you know what? I'm gonna take this, guys. I'm in profit. I'm not gonna be greedy. Oh, I'm back out of profit. You see, that's what happens when you're greedy. I gotta give it a minute. I gotta wait now. Here comes the reversal I didn't want to see. There we go. There we go. Now we're cooking. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. There we go. Come on. You got more in you? You got more in you? You got more in you? There we go. There we go. Now we're up 300 for the night. All right, I'm not going to be greedy, guys. I'm up 300 for the night. I was negative 900. I'm going to fucking take this. There we go. Come on. There we go. 500 for the night. Let's go. Keep feeding me. Keep feeding me. There we go. Now we're fucking cooking. All right, I'm out, guys. That's 675 on that one. Guys, we're fucking cooking here. All right, guys. I'm going to fucking get out here, man. I'm being greedy. All right. I closed out 1800 on one. I'm out, guys. I am out of all positions. I'm out. All right, let's see how we did. So I'm up 675 on one account, guys. Full TP just got fucking smacked. Beautiful fucking trade. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got going on here, guys. That was a beautiful trade. I want to see where my profit is for the day. Let's see, where's it at? All right, let's see here. Where is it at? Boom, boom, boom. I don't know how to do this yet. I'm trying to figure this out, guys. I'm still trying to figure out how to use this chart, guys, so just bear with me here. Where is it at? Uh, There we go. Found it. All right. So let's see. All right. Perfect. So we are up $911 on this account. And we are up $659 on this one. Not bad, guys. Not bad. Not bad. We could have ended up in a better profit, guys, but that's great profit, so we're going to take it. So we are currently up, as you guys can see, on this account here, we are up $659 here on this one today. And on this one right here, I don't know why I can't make this bigger. There we go. Currently up $2,700 on the account. And we are up $911 on tonight's session. I might go into a buy here, guys. I'm gonna wait to see here. But no, actually, I'm not gonna do that. I'm up $911. I'm up $1,000 essentially here, guys, and I am up $660 here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this alone for tonight, guys. I don't want to be stuck on here all night. It's a good night. I'm gonna leave it, guys. I'm gonna end this stream. I don't think everyone else did that well today. We'll see. I'll reach out to them. I know one of my friends got stopped out. Let's see. The disrespect. Don't want to. Yeah, my friend didn't do good today. Doesn't seem like, but it happens, guys. It happens. Definitely could have let the trade run for full TP, but again, we're not going to get greedy. We will gladly take 659 on the night and 911 on the night. So we're going to run this up tomorrow, see what we can catch tomorrow, and then just keep it moving from there, guys. This one is down bad, pretty pretty bad right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and work this one back up. But this one right here, we're doing really good with it. Yeah. But all right, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We'll go ahead and call it a night. Peace.